are new to my channel, hola hola, this is your Señora Chavez. Air fryers are one of the increasingly popular kitchen gadgets. If you are as health conscious as I am and my husband, you need this in your kitchen.
Should you or should you not own an air fryer? I hope this video helps you a lot in deciding whether to buy or not an air fryer. Air fryers are not actually a fryer. However, based on my experience with our air fryer, it does a great job of making our food more crispy, and it's also healthier than frying in oil. It cuts calories by 70 to 80% and has a lot of less fat. It does a fantastic job cooking up frozen food, frozen chicken, French fries, and a lot more. I think it's really best that you consider to have your own air fryer too, because it will really give you an all crispy, juicy, healthy flavors you're craving for into your food. Let me share with you one of the food that I cook using our air fryer, and this is called air fried beef tapa. Let's go and dive in it. For the ingredients, we need thin slices of beef tenderloin. We will marinate it with the El Parrillero or the Montreal steak mixed with salt, granulated garlic, black and red crushed pepper, and some spices. I will add a little more ground garlic because I truly love the taste of garlic, plus a little more salt to add a little taste as well. And to add juiciness to our beef, I will add or brush a little of our olive oil. We will just put all the ingredients in one bowl and start to marinate our beef tenderloin. You will see later that the air fryer will really do its great job of making our beef crispy. Let's also just be careful not to put too much glaze on our beef, as the excess may also drip and spread around the air fryer chamber, which we don't like. Using air fryer, the fat of our food will drip out of the basket to keep it a bit leaner, and it's so much less messy and truly requires less supervision than other cooking methods. After mixing our spices and other ingredients, we will marinate for a few minutes our beef with the mixture. And when you are ready to air fry the beef, add few drops of olive oil around the beef so that you will taste the juiciness of the beef after air frying. And we're ready to air fry! We will simply put our beef on the basket and set our air fryer according to its instruction. So for our beef or meat, we will set the temperature into 200 degrees Celsius and timer in 25 minutes. It's very easy and very quick, right? You don't need to worry about burning yourself or even burning the food that you're cooking. And it's really less supervision than other cooking methods. Also, it rings its own alarm to give you a hint that it's all done and ready to eat. Also, the best thing about air frying is that you still have other time to do other things. So while waiting for it to be cooked, I decided to prepare an ensalada or tomato salad mixed with this cilantro that I planted in our garden. Cilantro or coriander is commonly used as a fragrant herb in many food. However, when I found out its benefits, I planted some in our garden. I found out that it's good to lower blood sugar, it help fight infections, promote heart, brain, skin, and digestive health. So I'm really loving cilantro now. For our ensalada or salad, I just mix it with tomato, onion, and few drops of lemon juice. After preparing our tomato salad, we still have time to make our peach smoothies. I will use 3 halves of the peaches with its syrup, 1 cup of milk, and a little water. everything's all set. It looks delicious.
You can see it's very crispy, and you can also hear its crispiness when I cut them. I can't wait to eat.
You can cut your beef tapa into bite size for easy chewing, and you can enjoy your meal. And there you go, it's ready. We have now our beef tapa with our tomato ensalada or salad, plus our peach smoothies. Are you excited to taste them?
So it's taste time! This will not be a success without trying all the food that we prepared today. So let's try first our beef. It's a little crispy and juicy. It has an equal taste as well of the sour and saltiness because of the lemon and the seasonings that we add. It's nice, not too much oily, just equal or just balanced. And let's go with our salad. Tastes good as well. We have a healthy meal today. Plus, of course, my favorite drink. Qué rico todos! I think that's it for today. I'll see you in my comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to give your big thumbs up, share, and subscribe into my channel. Para sus comentarios y sugerencias, escríbalos en el cuadro de comentarios. Muchas gracias. Señora Chavez signing off. Hasta luego.